Hello my loving kids, welcome back to another informative session. Today we are going to discuss about the difference between short vowels and long vowel sounds. So let's start the video. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. Out of them 5 are vowels and the remaining letters are called consonants. So, how many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels. They are A, E, I, O, U. Each of the 5 vowels have 2 main sounds, short sound and a long sound. First, we will be learning short vowel sounds. A says ah, ah. The name of this letter is A and the sound of this letter is ah, ah. E says eh, eh. I says E, E. O says ah, ah. And U says ah, ah. These are short vowel sounds. Repeat one more time. Ah, eh, E, ah, ah. Now we are going to explain some rules to understand the difference between short and long vowel sounds. The first one is about short vowel sounds. The first rule is one vowel rule. One vowel sound is going to be short. It means if there is one vowel in a word, then it usually makes short vowel sound. For example, C-A-T, cat. This is a 3-letter word or CVC word. So when there are 3 letters in a word, it normally makes the short vowel sound. So we have the word C-A-T. This is a CVC word. CVC word means we have already learned consonant, vowel and consonant. So there is only one vowel, that is A. A. So it makes short vowel sound like ah, not A. Ah. So let's sound it out. K, A, T, cat. Now let's move on to the short vowel E. A. A. The word is L-E-G. L, A, G. Leg. So what's the word? L, A, G. Leg. Now let's look at the short vowel I. E. E. The word is F-I-N. F, I, N. Fin. Fin. F, I, N. Fin. Now short vowel O. A. A. The word is P-O-T. P, A, T. Pot. P, A, T. Pot. Next, the short vowel U. A. A. The word is S-U-N. S, A, N, sun. S, A, N, sun. So children, to remember the short vowel sounds, you have to learn these words like A as in apple. E as in egg. I as in igloo. O as in orange. U as in umbrella. Now let's look at some examples of CVCC and CCVC words. CVCC words means consonant, vowel, consonant and consonant. Look at the word SAND. This is a CVCC word. S is consonant, A is vowel, N is consonant and D is also consonant. So here only one vowel is there, that is A. So the sound is going to be short, that is A. So let's sound it out. S, A, N, D, sand. S, A, N, D, sand. One more example. GIFT. This one is also CVCC word. Only one vowel, that is I. So the sound is going to be short, that is E. G, E, F, T, gift. G, E, F, T, gift. Next, CCVC word like DRUM. This is a CCVC word. Only one vowel is here, that is U. So the sound is going to be short, that is A. So let's sound it out. D, R, A, drum. D, R, A, drum. One more example. CLAP. One vowel is there, that is A. So here vowel sound is going to be short, that is A. K, L, A, P. Clap. K, L, A, P. Clap. So both are having only one vowel. One vowel sound is going to be short. One vowel sound is going to be short. So the main point is, when there is only one vowel in a word or in a syllable, then the vowel sound is going to be short. So that means it doesn't matter how many consonants are there in a word. The matter is how many vowel is there. If there is only one vowel, then it usually makes short sound. So short vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, A. One more time. A, E, I, O, A. Very good. Good job. Now we will move on to the long vowel sound. Long vowel sound is actually the name of the letter itself. So long vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, U. This is letter A. The name of the letter is A, and the long sound of this letter is also A. The long sound is its name. So long vowel sound means the letter itself. Let's move on to the next rule. It is called two vowel rule or CVVC. It means if there are two vowels in a word, the first vowel makes a long sound means the letter itself, and the second vowel sound is silent. For example, B-O-A-T. This is a CVVC word. B is consonant, O is vowel, A is also vowel, and T is consonant. So this is a CVVC word or two vowel word. So children, you can see that there are two vowels, O and A. The first one is O and the second one is A. So the first vowel sound is going to be long sound like O. And the second vowel sound is silent. Shh means A is silent. So listen very carefully. The sound of this word is B-O-T. Boat. B-O-T. Boat. A is silent. Shh. Now next example. L-E-A-F. This one is also CVVC word, means two vowel word. Here we have two vowels, E and A. So according to the rule, the first vowel sound is going to be long, means the name itself, and the second one is silent. So let's sound it out. L, E, F, leaf. L, E, F, leaf. A is silent. Shh. Let's look at the next rule. This rule is called the magic E rule. CVC plus silent E. CVC means consonant, vowel, consonant. So when we have CVC and there is an E at the end of the word, then E remains silent and the first or middle vowel makes long sound. It means the vowel name. For example, M-A-N-E. There are two vowels, A and E. The first or middle vowel is A. So the first or middle vowel will be long vowel sound and E will be silent. So here the first or middle vowel is A. So the long sound of this letter is A. It means the letter itself, A. 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 Man. E will be silent. Shh. A. Man is silent. Shh. Now next, H-O-P-E. There are two vowels, O and E. So the first or middle vowel is going to be long sound. Very good. And E will be shh, silent. Very good. The long vowel sound of this letter is O. This is letter O. And the long sound of this letter is O. So, O, P, hope. is silent. Shh. O P. Hope is shh. Silent. Very good. Good job. Children, to remember the long vowel sounds, you can use these words which make long vowel sounds, like A as in ape, ape. E as in ear, ear. I as in ice cream, ice cream. O as in oval, oval. U as in unicorn, unicorn. So long vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, U. Long vowel sounds means when a vowel makes the same sound as the way its name is pronounced. So children, hope you understand the difference between short and long vowel sounds, right? So let's do a quick recap. Short vowel sounds are A, E, A, A. And long vowel sounds are A, E, I, O, U. When we have CVC word, it usually takes the short vowel sound. For example, jam. This is a CVC word. Only one vowel is here, that is A. A. J, A, M. Jam. Pot. P, A, T. Pot. Next, when there are two vowels in a word, the first vowel takes long vowel sound and the second one is silent. For example, B-A-K-E. There are two vowels, A and E. So the first vowel is going to be long, means it says its own name, and E will be silent. B-A-K, bake, and E is shh, silent. Next, C-O-A-T. There are two vowels, O and A. So the first vowel is O and the first vowel is going to be long. And the second vowel is silent. K-O-T, coat. A is silent. Children, there is a beautiful quotation to remember this rule. When two vowels are walking, first one is talking and second one is silent. Shh. Thanks for watching video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.